Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. It's going to be a real life versus website series. This time it's going to be featuring Pretty Little Thing. I asked you guys what type of companies that you wanted me to do next, and a lot of you guys said the Pretty Little Things. Please keep in mind I do have some more exciting companies that I'm about to try on my channel as well. So you'll get to see the quality of the pieces, what I received, what I picked out, and then also if they work, if they don't work. So I know you guys really like these videos, so definitely keep on subscribing to my channel, commenting, as well as giving me a thumbs up, just so I know that you appreciate these type of videos and you still want more of these videos. So I tried Pretty Little Things out, and I read some reviews after I had ordered, and if I would have read those reviews before I ordered, I would have probably not have ordered Pretty Little Thing. But they have some super cute things on the website, and I mean, I was like really in love. I only picked up 7 pieces from the website, and they were having a like 30% off sale. I'm thinking like 30 or 40% off sale. So I was like, yes, let me try something small first, and then if I like everything, then I can go ahead and make a big purchase. I mean, I had like over $200 worth of stuff in my cart, and I was like, no, you don't know how this company is going to be just yet, so let me start off small. So the website is very user friendly, it's very easy to navigate, and it has categories on the website as far as like what you're looking for. So if you're looking for like the newest things that they have in, or cord sets, or dresses, bodycon, swimsuit, things of that nature, so you're able to find that easily just by their drop down menu. So I really like the website, and it's like very bright and like inviting. So one thing that I do not like about the Pretty Little Thing is that you have to pay for shipping. Like, I know that this I think the website is, or the company is based in Canada, I'm thinking. Please don't quote me, I don't know, but I don't like that you have to pay for shipping. Like, if I'm spending a lot of money on your website, you should be able to provide free shipping, so, or provide a code for free shipping on top of the discount. I feel like a lot of things that these websites have to offer are very like kind of not the best quality. So when you're not offering the best quality and then you're asking for me to pay for shipping, it's a problem, like literally. But can we take a minute to admire the inches? I mean, look at this. But the first thing that I got, which I have it on, I wore it today, but I'm just going to give you the pros and cons about what I received. So this is monochrome satin stripe paper bag wide leg trousers. I got this in a size 8, and as you can see these pants are super big. Like, they're super big. I could have went down maybe a few sizes. Like, I could have went down to maybe a size 4, and when you follow their size guides, it's just be like all over the place. So that's why I stayed on a size 8, but I could have literally went down with a few items that I got from Pretty Little Thing, but whatever. So I do want to show you the details here in the pants. They call them the paper bag because it literally looks like a paper bag at the top. It's really super high waist, like you can bring them higher up. But I think that these pants are super cute, and when I seen them on the website, I really honestly had to have them. I have not seen any pants like this in stores or that looks like this or whatnot. So a lot of the things on their website was really cute. And then also it has like a little belt, and then it has like a button right here. The reason why these pants are fitting me is because of the belt, but if not, they will be like super big. Like, as you can see, they're really big or whatnot. So I'm thinking about getting them either taken in, but as you can see, whenever I tie it, it brings it in, and I'm able to just wear it because of this belt here. That they are so freaking long. Like, look how long these are. Like, I can literally step over them. They're so long and so big. Like, the pros with these pants are they're super cute. I love the style of the pants. I think that they're absolutely gorgeous and very flirty, especially with the little paper bag style here and the belt. So I think they're really cute. You can definitely wear it just like this, like with a black top. You can do a pop of color or however you want to do it or whatnot. So I really like them. The cons on these pants are they're so freaking long. Like, even if I would have went down a size, they're still long. Like, Pretty Little Things. Like, who do you think is wearing your pants? So it's really tall girl friendly, yes, but then what about the girls that are short, you know? And I'm not saying that I'm short or whatnot, but I'm just saying, like, if you were short, I'm like 5'5", 5'6", in between that range, you know. But even whenever I wore heels with them today, like they're still so long that I was kind of tripping over them at the bottom. Like it's like starting to fray just a little bit because they're so long and they're dragging the ground. So I really hate that about them. So it's in this silky material and it had a lot of static. It was very annoying throughout the day because they were just sticking to me and it was just so annoying. So I think these are really cute pants. I have to get them hemmed and also maybe taken in the waist just a little bit. So the next item I got, I literally thought that this was gonna fit. So the next thing I got is called the burgundy striped wide leg suit trousers, and I also got this in a set. So I also got navy satin striped shirt, and unfortunately this is so big that it's just annoying. Really cute pants, like as you can see. I love the style, I love the color in them, and I just love how flowy they are. They're so big, so I need to get them taken in. I did get this in a size 8 as well. So I think partly it was my fault because I got them in a size 8, and maybe I should have just stayed to a size 6 or whatnot. But then it's like I said, it's just really a tricky situation whenever you're ordering things online and whatnot, because I've ordered stuff in a size 4 and 6 before, and they didn't fit. So I was like, dang, I should have went up to a size 8. So now that I'm ordering stuff in a size 8, it's like it doesn't fit anymore. And I also got this top here to go with it. I got this shirt in a size small. So looks like a nightgown, don't it? Or like a night outfit. So of course I wouldn't wear this like this. Obviously I got this in a size small, and the shirt is like very loose. It's very flowy. I'm gonna first get the pants hemmed, as well as I'm gonna fix this area here. I wouldn't wear this shirt underneath either, but if you tuck it in and you just button this up a little bit, you know, show a little bit of cleavage, not too much, but just a little bit, you know, give them a little sneak peek. You kind of tighten this up just a little bit, you know, with minus the shirt now, minus the shirt. But you can do like, you know, you do that type of look. I think this is cute. Or you can do a little tie if you want to, just depending on how you want to do it or whatnot. You can do a little tie with it. And, you know, no shirt underneath, but just this area. So that's really cute. I think that's really cute. They're so long. Like, look at these. Like, it's ridiculous how long these pants are. Like, let's be honest. Like, Pretty Little Things, like, who you really think wearing your pants? The next thing that I got was this set here. It's not a set, but I ordered these pieces together basically to create like a set or whatnot. And I mean, I'm really liking this. I think that this is really cute. This is like one of the items where I don't have to get them altered. These are the burgundy metallic striped wide leg trousers. I did get these in a size 6 because that was the last bigger size they had. And then I was like, okay, this is a stretchy material. It doesn't have a button or a zipper. I should be able to fit it. So that's why I got it in a size 6. It fits, but I could have still went to a size 4, you know. And I also got this burgundy basic Bardet bodysuit, and I got this in a US size 4. And the pants were $27. I did not get a discount on the pants. And then also the bodysuit was $10.50, but it usually runs $15 for a bodysuit. So I did get a discount off of that, off the bodysuit. And I just pulled my bra straps down. I didn't have time for all of that. But this is what the bodysuit looks like. I think that the bodysuit is really, really nice. I'm really loving the color on the bodysuit. And I think that it gives you the perfect look if you want to wear high-waisted pants or skirts or whatever the case may be or whatnot. And I love the fact that it's off the shoulder, so it's definitely spring or summer ready. It's just up to you. And it has long sleeve, but trust me. This is thin. Trust me, the items are thin. So as far as when it comes to the bodysuits or whatnot, so you don't have to worry about, you know, being too hot or whatnot. But the only thing that I don't like about this bodysuit is that I did get it in a size US 4, which is considered a small. The bottom half of the bodysuit is a little bit bigger, if that makes sense. So it is a little bit big. It's not like fitting as snug as I would like it underneath my pants, but it's so tight right here, like in this area on my arm. I don't even know if you can see it. It's super tight. Like, you can even see it's indenting. Like, that's how tight it is. Like, I won't be able to move much. And then I got these pants to go with them, and I'm thinking it's super cute. Super cute pants, very flowy, very loose, very comfortable as well. They're also very long, so again, you can, whenever you buy something from Pretty Little Thing as far as pants, you're gonna have to expect them to be very long. You're not just gonna be able to casually wear these pants. You're probably gonna have to wear heels with these pants. So I mean, look a little bit darker on the website, but here they look a little bit washed out, whatnot. So I don't know if this top goes with it perfectly or whatnot, but this is a look. I am loving it and I really like this. All right, so the next thing that I got was this bodysuit here, which I am not a fan of. I did not get these pants from Pretty Little Things. Just threw this on for you to see the bodysuit and for it to pop or whatnot. But this is called the Basic Black Jersey Plunge Neck Thong Bodysuit. I also got this in a size US 4, and this is in the color black. I was gonna go crazy with the bodysuits because like when summer comes around, you can never get enough of bodysuits, and I just think that a bodysuit gives you this very nice, clean, flat look, and you can literally wear them with anything. High-waisted shorts, high-waisted jeans, skirts, or whatever. So I mean, you can wear a bra with this, but it is very like, it's still a little bit loose. If I knew that it was gonna be this loose, then I would have went down a size or whatnot, because I prefer my bodysuits to be very snug, because that's the point of a bodysuit. Like, you don't want them to rise up, you don't want them to just be looking loose or whatnot. So I don't like the fact that this is like loose. It's so like deep cut here where you can see your bra. But this is still a cute little crop top. This is how it looks in the back. So this is very cute, very nice. I really like the way that this looks, but it's so thin. So originally this shirt was $12. I paid $8.40 for this, and it's not worth it. Like, it's really not worth it. Like, you can get this quality from Forever 21, and you can actually try it on, know what you're getting, knowing how it's going to fit. Yes, they do have different styles and variations, but it's just like, it's just not worth it to me because it's super thin. Why do you think I would pay $12 for this damn crop top? Like, yes, I understand it gives you a little plunge or whatnot, but the quality of the crop top, or it's not a crop top, a bodysuit, the quality of this bodysuit is not all that. So I'm not going to pay $12 without it, and I barely wanted to pay $8.40, but now that I got it, like, damn, $8.40 for this? Like, I mean, again, it's cute. It's giving you all types of vibes and whatnot. And the crotch area, excuse me, but the crotch area is like, it's very uncomfortable where you fasten the snaps at. Like, that is super uncomfortable to me. I wear a lot of bodysuits, and I don't feel discomfort whenever I wear bodysuits in that area. But this one, it seems very bulky where it's a little bit uncomfortable. I mean, it's cute. It's cute or whatever. So the next thing that I got was this white basic square neck thong bodysuit as well, and I really liked it on the website because it had this square neck, and I've seen a lot of people wear the square neck tops like this, and I think they look really cute and classy whenever you have them with high-waisted or whatever case may be. But this is another item that I'm like, what the hell, Pretty Little Thing? Like, seriously? So originally this item was $12 with a discount, which was 30% off. I got this item for $8.40. I'm like, come on, Pretty Little Thing, because it's like, I've seen tank tops at Forever 21 looks just like this. The quality is just like this, or maybe just a tad bit better. And it's like $2.90 or $5.90 at Forever 21 or whatnot. And this here is like $8 for this, and it's not, I mean, it's not worth it. Like, it's not, like, it is a bodysuit, so like I stated, I'm going to wear this or whatnot, but it's super thin. I don't even know if you can see like how thin it is, and the crotch area again is very uncomfortable. So this is what it looks like in the back. But yeah, I mean, you can easily, you know, make it nice, put some jewelry on with it or whatever, but I'm just saying, like, I was just a little bit disappointed with the bodysuits. Alright, y'all, so this pretty much wraps up the video. I do have a few pros and cons with Pretty Little Things since this was my first time trying them. Will I try them again? Yes and no. Like, I'm still in the middle between trying Pretty Little Things because I just really think that, you know, some of their stuff are like very overpriced for the quality. But I still do like some of the stuff. Like I said, I received my items. I received them very quickly as well, in my opinion, considering when I have ordered from other companies before. I'm just a little bit upset about the quality and the price. Like, I don't think that, you know, your price should be this whenever your quality is like, you know, this. So that's just how I feel about it. I probably will order from the company. Like I said, they have some really cute things on the website. Any other companies that you want me to try, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure that you like this video so I know that you enjoy videos like this, and I will continue to give you more. And then also make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can join the fam, and don't forget to turn your notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. But until next time, I will see you later.
I woke up in